Today, we will share with you some original ideas on how to spend your free time having fun and doing useful stuff. We will show you how to grow a mineral from ordinary stone, how to make an anti-stress rainbow, and even play non-standard badminton. And to begin with, let's learn to convert an ordinary stone into a mineral of unparalleled beauty. You need bath salt or coarse salt. Dilute paints in water. Collect the colored water in a pipette. Drip water on the salt. To make the color uniform, the salt should be mixed thoroughly. Select a few stones and move the multicolored salt closer. Extrude hot glue onto the stone and sprinkle it with colored salt. Shake off the extra. Decorate the stones with glitter and colored salt impregnations. The artificial gems are ready. How beautifully they shimmer in the sun! You can't take your eyes off it. If everything around seems too boring, you just need to change the frame of perception of the world. Make an amusing photo frame with changing pictures. Create a draft of the frame following the given sizes. Cut out the line of the outer perimeter. Bend the edges to the middle. Fold them. Make 3 windows. Draw and cut out a T-piece. Apply the part to the frame and place it strictly in the center. Mark the width with the marker. Make an incision so that the part can pass freely through the frame. Glue photos of cute kittens on the back wall. Fold the frame. The kittens peer out of the windows. Attach images of puppies to the sliding part. Seal the edges of the frame. The original frame with a secret is ready. It looks very unusual. And now we'll tell you how to make a volumetric magnet from the comic books. Draw clouds of dust, sparks of flame, and the sound of an explosion on the sheet of paper. Yes, these are comics. Here, even a sound can be drawn. Cut them out. Glue a piece of thick, double-sided scotch tape to the cloud. Attach a yellow figure looking to a star to it. Use double-sided adhesive tape again and glue a red, spiky figure. Decorate with letters. Glue a small magnet on the back of the craft. Such a volumetric magnet can be attached to a refrigerator or kitchen column. It looks much more fun than the standard factory stamp. A creative personality will always find what to do. The web of scotch tape in the doorway is a very good option. Attach the edge of the scotch tape on the door and unwind the reel to the opposite side. Try to stretch the tape properly. Stock some more shells in the form of stuffed toys. Throw them on the sticky web. The more toys stick, the more points you have. The main thing when leaving the room is to not forget about the cobweb and to not be a victim of this insidious sticky tape. A bright rainbow anti-stress toy will absolutely lift your mood. You will need several sheets of double-sided colored paper. Draw strips of 3 centimeters on the sheets. Take 2 strips of contrasting color and a glue stick. Bond the edges of the strips. Weave them together. Attach 2 more paper strips. Continue the weaving, carefully smoothing the folds. Don't worry, in fact, the process is very exciting. You will not even notice how fast time will fly. Continue to lengthen the product until its length seems to be sufficient. Attach the edge with glue. Stretch! Wow! The toy turned out very bright and unusual. Playing with it is a pure pleasure. Do your younger sister or brother get exhausted from boredom? Let's cheer them with a funny performance of the Finger Theater. Today, we will show how to organize a real theater show with the help of paper fingers. Draw or print a picture of a bunny. Cut it along the contour. At the base, make 2 holes of circular shape. Color the picture with felt tip pens. Insert your index and middle fingers into the hole. You're almost ready for the play. It remains only to write the script and give the actors their roles. And now it's time for active entertainment and street games. How about a round of an unusual badminton? To make 1 racket, you will need 2 disposable plates and a wide wooden stick. Using a hot glue gun, attach the wand to the plate. Apply the hot glue in a circle and glue one more plate on top. Make a racket for your friend too. Go out and blow a balloon. Who do you think will become the first racket of the court? Entertain your friends with a funny table show with funny cups. You need paper cups. Apply to the cup and go over a wooden stick using a pen. Repeat this simple drawing around the circle. Cut through the lines. Glue 2 strips of paper. Fold it, intertwining the paper ends. Attach it to the bottom of the cup with petals. Apply hot glue on the second end too, and attach it to a whole cup. Color the cups in red. Paste funny eyes and a mouth. Decorate the bottom of the cup with a haircut from the knitting thread. You can make a whole company of funny monsters. And now we will try on the role of a designer. Draw a model in a dress similar to the petals of a daisy. Paint the hair in golden color and shade the skin with an unobtrusive glow of the tan. Take a paper knife and cut the dress along the contour. Apply the workpiece to the bright paper. So many new colorful images! Now everything depends on your imagination, but can you decorate clothes in an even more unusual way? Turn the drawing over and arm yourself with wide tape. Glue strips of scotch tape to the place of the cutout dress. Fill the sticky surface with colorful pom-poms. Carefully lay out the line of the corset and décolleté. The design of the outfit is now bright and textured. Don't be afraid to experiment with other materials. You can use everything at your fingertips, cereals, and even burned matches. I'll tell you how to make a zoetrope, a device with moving pictures, with your own hands. Print out the picture with a person performing the cyclist actions. Cut it out, glue it to a rectangular piece of Foamiran. Draw 5mm wide vertical stripes, leaving a gap of 4 cm between them. The length of the product should be 54 cm. Make the bottom edge toothed. Cut the strips along the contour. Twist the Foamiran and glue the edges together. Set the zoetrope on a rotating circle and attach it with a hot glue gun. Spin it more forcefully. The picture comes to life and begins to move. Do you have a lot of free time? Let's spend it on creativity. You need a ruled piece of paper. Put a blank sheet on it. Attach the paper in the corners with paper clips. Draw funny people in motion. Arrange them evenly throughout the sheet. Draw the horizontal bars, repeating the pattern of the embedded zebra. The lines near the drawing are made not straight, but winding. Paint the space around the little men with a pencil. It turned out a funny picture with a fascinating storyline. Surprise friends with a rainbow well with Skittles. Paint a Tetrapak in a bright color and cut a square hole through the wall. Attach wooden sticks for coffee on the perimeter of the window. Decorate the lower part of the Tetrapak with the halves of the sticks. You are going to need 2 thin sticks and 1 wide one. Break the sticks along the lines. Attach the thin pieces of wood on the structure. Attach a wide plank to the edges sticking out. Burn holes with a soldering iron and insert a plastic tube. Tie a rope to it. Crop the excess. Glue a handle from sticks to one end of the tube. Crown the second end with a wooden plug. Now we need a small souvenir bucket. Attach 2 magnets from the inside. Prepare a surprise. Shake out a few Skittles on a small sheet of paper. Twist it. Attach the magnet to the paper. Offer for a friend to fetch water from your well. She will be surprised when she finds bright candy instead of water in the bucket. Do you like puzzles? The following video will be special for you. You need a printed image and some flat wooden sticks. Turn the picture downwards. Put some clerical glue on the wand. Attach the wand to the paper. With the help of a sharp paper knife, separate the wand from a part of the drawing. In the same way, paste the strips of the picture onto the remaining sticks. It turned out an original vertical puzzle. Which picture will you choose? Let's share the idea of unusual drawing techniques and try to create a real masterpiece. You will need paper templates of bats. Paint the paper in black. Put paper bats on it. Using a cotton swab, apply acrylic paints on the picture. Remove the application of bats from the sheet. It turned out to be a beautiful abstract drawing. You can put it on the shelf. Well, did you succeed at distracting yourself from boredom? Which of the ideas we proposed will you realize today? Dress up a doll in a bright dress? Make a zoetrope? Or make a company of ridiculous cups? Write about it in your comment. Subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Click on the bell to see our next video first. We are waiting for you on Troom Select.